Hello, everyone. Welcome to EMILY.RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. This video serves as a prelude to a series of email module functionalities. Therefore, it is essential to follow the instructions in this video to configure settings before using the relevant modules. The demonstration will use Gmail to showcase how to set up. If you are using Outlook or another email service, you can find similar settings by searching the official documentation using the keywords introduced in today's tutorial. First, you need to have a Gmail account. Next, open your Google Chrome browser, click on Account. Then navigate to Security. Find two-step verification and enable it if it's not already. After enabling, scroll down to App Passwords and click on it. Add a new app name and after adding, click Create. A window will appear with a randomly generated password. Copy this password to a text file. We will use this password to operate the email module later. This is the content of this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or post a question on the official forum. Thank you. We will see you next time.